Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're itching to travel but your wallet's putting up a fight, I've got your back. Traveling on a budget doesn't mean you have to miss out on amazing experiences. Today I'm breaking down my top 5 tips for traveling on a budget in 2025. These tips will help you make the most of your adventures without draining your bank account. Let's dive in. First up, flexibility is key. The more flexible you are with your travel dates, the better deals you can score. Being open to traveling midweek or during less popular times can save you a ton of money. Use tools like Google Flights or Skyscanner to compare prices across different dates and airlines. These platforms are great for finding the cheapest options available. And hey, if you can try to travel during off-peak seasons, not only will you avoid the crowds, but you'll also find lower prices on everything from flights to accommodations. You'll avoid the crowds and save some serious cash. Next, let's talk accommodation. Forget pricey hotels, consider hostels, Airbnb, or even couch surfing. These options are not only budget-friendly, but also offer unique experiences. Websites like Hostelworld and Couchsurfing can connect you with affordable and sometimes free places to stay. Plus, you'll often find yourself in the company of like-minded travelers. Plus, you'll meet locals and fellow travelers who can give you insider tips. Win-win. Now, let's move on to food. Tip number 3, eat like a local. Food can be one of the biggest expenses while traveling, but it doesn't have to be. Skip the tourist traps and head to local markets, street vendors, and small restaurants. These places often offer delicious, authentic meals at a fraction of the cost. Not only will you save money, but you'll also get a more authentic taste of the culture. And don't forget, trying new foods is part of the adventure. Also, consider cooking your own meals if you have access to a kitchen. This can be a fun way to experiment with local ingredients and save money. It's a great way to save and maybe make some new friends over dinner. Alright, on to transportation. Public transport is your friend. It's often the most economical way to get around. Buses, trains, and local transit are usually much cheaper than taxis or renting a car. Plus, you'll get to see more of the local life, and if you're up for it, consider biking or walking. It's eco-friendly, and you'll see more of the place you're visiting. It's also a great way to stumble upon hidden gems. For longer distances, keep an eye out for budget airlines and be sure to book in advance. These airlines often have great deals if you book early. Finally, experiences and activities. Not everything amazing has to cost a fortune. In fact, some of the best experiences are free or very low cost. Look for free walking tours, visit parks, museums with free entry days, or simply explore on your own. These activities can be just as enriching as paid ones. Websites like meetup.com can connect you with locals hosting free events and activities. It's a great way to meet new people and experience the local culture. Sometimes, the best experiences are the ones that don't cost a dime. So don't be afraid to explore and take advantage of free opportunities. So there you have it, my top 5 tips for traveling on a budget in 2025. With these tips, you can enjoy your travels without worrying about overspending. With a little planning and flexibility, you can have an amazing adventure without breaking the bank. Remember, the key is to be open to new experiences and stay flexible. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more budget travel tips. Happy travels. See you in the next one. Safe travels and happy adventures.